Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial to review entire feature of Mixcraft 9 Pro Studio. Here, this software has been especially designed for editing, mashup, remix, either it is audio format or video format. Of course you can. So let's open without delay. Now see guys, this is basic tutorial because if you would like to use all the feature that have been given in this, especially Mixcraft 9 Pro Studio, of course you will have to study much more. So this is basic tutorial, but if you would like to further more, of course you have to raise the query below the comment box, and I will make a video. Might be helpful for beneficial for someone guys. So see here, and first either it is instrument tracks that you would like to compose, vocoder, submix tracks, send tracks, output tracks, master tracks, and I think so guys, of course you can, and you would like to use the any tempo, key, modulation of the voice, vibrato of the voice, or any song, either it is a video and audio format. Of course all kind of the feature have been given of course in this software. So at the moment just it's asking where you would like to save a final product of the Mixcraft 9 Pro, but at the moment I'm not inclined to save it, so just I will cut from here. Now see guys, this is your first track, second track, third track, fourth track, fifth, and this is a fifth one, and sixth one if you would like to, of course you can select. And similarly this is for your, see one thing more here I would like to, according to a time, the situation and the requirement, you can change this track. If you would like to make this track as an instrumental, of course you can. If you would like to make this track for audio, video format, of course you can. So let me firstly, I will make this audio track, so I will select this one. Similarly guys, if you would like to have the instrumental tracks, there's a space, of course, vocoder tracks, of course, video tracks, of course. So let me firstly here audio tracks, because if I tell you one by one all the feature, this video will be a lengthy. So I would like to have just not a lengthy this video, just this will be a basic tutorial of this Mixcraft 9 Pro. So I have already selected the audio tracks. Now I will click on 2 times now audio. Just I will select the one audio here. If you would like to start from here, so simply you have to hold it and keep it here. If you would like to zoom in, zoom out, of course by here. Let me zoom in. Now zoom out. It's fine. Another song if you would like to have, see at the moment this is for piano and any other instrumental music. If you would like to have on this space, of course you can have. How it is shown, simply you have to click here. Now see all the instrumentals you are here. Just you need to add, and of course after adding, of course you can make this track for instrumental, and you can set as effective music on these songs. So not here I would like to use the instrumental, just simply I would like to have another song, so I need another audio track. So simply I will select the audio track and I will click 2 times and I will select the one song. So any song, let me this one, so it is fine. So now it's important guys, one thing more, see here this is a controller. So on a mixer you have to come, and this is for audio first one, this is the second one. So suppose from here to here you don't want to listen now a first one track music, so how you will, so simply I will close these ones now, and this one it's already on a 8 point approximately on a here. So now of course this one will be only one hearable, and audio tracks, the first one will be a close. So how to show, let me play. Now see guys, so now see this one, first one is not applying, but if I would like to play the first one here to here, then now see, the first one will play. Now see, so this is a controller for mixer. Similarly, if you would like to have see the sound, especially vocal modulation graph, of course, by clicking here and project. This is your, and this is sound. This is mixer. This is a library. What you have especially now. Now see guys, one thing in a short form I would like to tell you. Suppose here I have selected the first one. On the first one, if I would like to make an effective of on a whole tracks, on a whole tracks, for this one you have to click for effective tracks. Now this is add a new effective to a tracks, and this is for bit by bit. Especially you can use wherever is a required term, wherever is required any bit musics. Any guitar, piano, of course you can, but here let me on a whole. So whole C, whole especially effective tool is given here. Suppose let me have Acoustica Pro Studio reverb model. In a reverb, if this song is being played by you especially in a medium hall, of course. If you would like to have in a large hall, now see, as a large hall it will play. So this all is a controller, and when it's going to highlight it means it's inserted enabled. So now it's enabled at the moment. If I play now, let me see how it's a voice. Now see guys, if I close it, now see. So if you would like to enable, of course enable it and save it. So simply now it's enable and just have a close it. So it's a highlighted guys, so it's a enabled. If you would like to remove this one, just to simply by clicking here, yeah, all the, you don't know what are the features that you have enabled, then simply remove all the effects here guys. So let me have this ones now. This one now see one thing more. If you would like to split, if you would like to just suppose here cut, crop, delete, so all the things you can here guys. If you would like to reverse of the music, of course you can. If you would like to edit a loop, all the things. If you would like to fade in, fade out, and fast, slow, mediums, of course all the things you can. So suppose here, let me see, I will click on this one, and now this is a punching. So now let me off it. Let me, this one's highlighted. Now see guys, if you would like to have on the both one, but now if you would like to mute this music, of course by here you can. All the instrumental I have already mentioned to you here. See, lot of the feature have been given, so I'm not going all the other, because suppose here if I would like to band EQ, so all the feature in ways, especially I would like to have the female voice. So now we have to select the female voice according to adjust, and you can make an effective modulation of the voice on this song. So a lot of the feature guys, I'm not going in detail here. This is a volume, but here suppose here I would like to just split. So how can I now see guys, just I will select from here to here, and this one I would like to suppose delete. Now see, this one is it deleted. Now here will not the play from. Similarly here just I will select from here to here, and I'm going to delete it. So now I have it deleted. So whatever the song you would like to delete, yeah, if you would like to split, just of course you can just click here. Now see guys, this one of course just let me just this one. this is for relative. So now see guys, here you can adjust your song when the pitch is coming from this song to this song, so it will gradually, yeah, if you would like to highlight it, so in this way it will be, suppose from here to here it's a playing, so now it will start from here to, on a full sound it will be here. So this is really adjustable, the curve especially. Now one thing I would like to tell you guys, this one wherever you would like to keep it, just holding it you can have. So this one is especially guys, now suppose from here in this song I would like to clear from here to here, so simply I will go for delete it. Now see guys, this one will play. Now I would like to here to here play. Now this one also I will highlight it. Now let me play from here to here. Now see guys, here now see guys, it's going and it will make a very slow here and then it will play here. So suppose for just for the reason of copyright especially, I'm not playing whole song, but now see here it will be gradually on here. So now see it has been especially the rest on another tracks. So this is especially relative curves. You can accelerate and decrease. You can accelerate or deaccelerate also guys. So now suppose here from here to here this one I have. Now I would like to have the final product. So here to here this all the things I would like to delete. So simply I will go for delete it. Now I have this one volumes and this one I would like to have the final product. I'm not going to detail all the factory material because as we know that I have already mentioned to you it will take too much time to study the all by all. So if you would like to have much more information in detail about this, especially Mixcraft 9 Pro or Studio, of course, raise the query below the comment box. I will make the another video according to your necessary requirement guys. So see here all the feature ABC, I'm the mid side, stereo phase, filter, I'm the, and this is envelope. So various kind of all the things is here. Not this one guys, much more is given. So all the instrument and especially feature that you require for making of especially mashup or remix or any DJ songs or any effective parties, videos that should be watchable. And then of course by using this Mixcraft 9 Pro in the studio, of course you can. This is functional in both, especially either it is a Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, and the 7 also that can be operated guys, no problem at all, in a both bit, either it is 64 or 32 bits guys. So if you would like to download it directly, of course you can. There is the query. I directly have given a download link below the description box. Of course directly you can download it. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys, but this one if you would like to have as a final product, simply you have to go in a file, and after coming the file, just you need to click on a save it. So it will ask where you would like to save, in a what format. So here just I will write anything name, and just I will select this one as mp3, not a web file, not a mdid file. So see guys here, this is window media. So here I would like to save as a MP3 format, and just I will save. So within a now see guys, it's a processing at the moment. Now after so it will give you final product very fast. So now see guys, it's on a desktop. Now see, it's playing at the moment. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. This is basic feature. I hope that but if you would like to have in the detail for any editing, either it is video or audio format, of course that is the query I will make according to your visualization. So this is all about. Thank you for watching a technology welfare guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.